No hot water but no puddles means you likely have a fixable control or heating issue, not a tank failure. Start by confirming power or gas supply. For electric units, check the breaker, then press the high limit reset button under the upper access panel. If it trips repeatedly, suspect a failing thermostat or element. Use a multimeter to test continuity on both heating elements and thermostats. Replace any that show open circuit or irregular readings, and always shut off power before opening panels. For gas units, verify the gas valve is on, relight the pilot as directed on the sticker, and watch for a steady blue flame. A weak, yellow, or flickering flame points to a dirty burner or thermocouple. Clean the burner assembly with a soft brush and vacuum. And replace a worn thermocouple or flame sensor if the pilot will not stay lit. While you are there, flush a few gallons from the drain valve to clear sediment, which insulates the water from heat and forces longer recovery times. If draining is slow, gently open the cold inlet to stir up sediment and keep flushing until clear. The first common issue is tripped safety controls on electric models caused by overheating from sediment or faulty thermostats. Reset the high limit, flush the tank to remove sediment, and replace the thermostat if it does not regulate correctly. The second is a stubborn pilot on gas heaters due to a bad thermocouple, dirty pilot orifice, or draft issues. Clean the pilot, confirm the vent is clear, and swap the thermocouple or flame sensor to restore reliable ignition. The third is lukewarm water from misset or failing thermostats, or a partially clogged dip tube that lets cold water mix at the top. Set both thermostats to the same temperature around 120 degrees. Test and replace as needed. And inspect or replace the dip tube if you see plastic shards or uneven temperature. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy to find local pros who can handle targeted fixes like a thermostat swap or burner cleaning, and to help contractors connect with homeowners who need timely work. We also host a discussion community where you can compare notes, ask questions, and learn from real experiences before you decide on repair or replacement.